Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay stainless tweezer V2's ST-10 and V2's ST-12. So guys, bagong dating siya sa amin. Bagong shipment. So guys, ito ang ating stainless V2's ST-10. Ayan siya guys. Pointed siya guys. Nakita nyo yan guys. May nakaukit na V2's-10. V2's ST-10. So guys, we have many stocks po. Ayan guys. Ayan ang ating mga tweezers. So guys, ipakita naman natin yung V2's ST-12. So guys, ito ay ano din siya, pointed din siya. Pointed yung mismo dulo niya. And then guys, may nakaukit din sa kanyang V2's. Then ST-12. We have many stocks din po guys. So, what is the use of stainless tweezer V2's ST-10 and V2's ST-12? V2's ST series silver pointed tweezers, including the ST-10 and V2's ST-12 tweezers, straight pointed tweezers, are generally used for number 1. These tweezers are precision tools made of stainless steel with non-magnetic anti-acid and corrosion-resistant properties. So, they're durable and won't easily rust. Number 2. They are part of V2's ST series high hardness tweezers, designed for accurate handling of tiny objects and everyday precision tasks. Uses and applications. These stainless tweezers can be used in a variety of tasks where you need to grip small parts accurately. General precision work. Number 1. Grabbing and placing tiny components. Number 2. Handling small screws and parts in assembly or repair. So, electronics and hobby work. Number 1. Picking up electronic components like resistors and chips. Number 2. Useful for circuit board work or delicate soldering tasks. Lab, craft, and model making. Number 1. Manipulating small lab samples, craft pieces, or model parts. Number 2. Good choice in jewelry making, watch repair, or other detailed manual tasks. Beauty and precision use. In beauty fields, they're also used isolate fine hairs or eyelash extensions because of their fine straight tips, especially the ST-12 with its pointed precisions. Difference between ST-10 and ST-12. Number 1. ST-10 usually has a fine but flatter tip, good for gently gripping slightly larger small parts of flat items. Number 2. ST-12. ST-12 typically has a sharper, more pointed, making it better for very fine detail work, tiny parts, precision beauty tasks, and scientific use. In short, they're general-purpose precision tweezers, good for electronics crops, lab work, small part assembly, beauty uses, and other tasks where you have to pick up and place tiny objects with control. So guys, yan ang ating mga stainless tweezer V2's ST-10 and V2's ST-12. So guys, pakita ko ulit sa inyo. Same lang silang pointed. So iaangat natin siya. Ayan siya guys. Ganyan siya. Ito ang ating ST-10 V2's. Ganyan siya ka-pointed. Guys, pinafocus natin siya. Ayan yung nakaukit sa kanya. V2's ST-10. So guys, pakita naman natin ng malapitan ng V2's ST-12. So guys, ito ang ating ST-12. So, sabi ko nga kanina, same lang silang pointed. Ayan siya guys. Pinafocus lang natin para makita nyo yung kung anong difference yung dalawa. So guys, ayaw nyo mag-focus. Ibababa natin siya. Yan guys. Ganyan siya. May nakaukit din sa kanya. V2's ST-10. So, ay 12. So guys, yan ang ating mga stocks. New stocks. We have many stocks po. Yan guys. So, yun lang guys. Ito ang ating stainless tweezer, V2's ST-10 and V2's ST-12. So guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.